All right, we got the city of Pownal Skatelite. Shout out to our friends at Skatelite for hooking us up. Actually did give us a deal. All right, Chris just pointed out that they gave us a manual box underneath. We're gonna definitely slap some plywood on that, and this is gonna be a grind box. That is. All right, sweet. Well, this is really nice. Nice. All right, we're getting this done. I wanted to get a clip showing how bad we're flexing this.
Yeah, dude.
All right, Ben, put some weight on that just to show the curve that we're. This is how much Skatelite can bend. I mean, that's quite a bit. So we got away with just using the full sheet without having to cut any relief cuts into it. And it's starting to rain, so we got to hurry this up. All right, we're getting this knocked out.
That was fast.
Dude, that was so much faster. I thought you were going backwards for sure. All right, round two. Nice. All right, we got another skater that just showed up. He's got the penny board.
Look at that thing, actually vintage.
Careful, Chris, this thing is... Yeah, all right.
That thing's smooth.
First, I think that's your first one on a penny board to hit that. All right, what do you think of the Skatelite? So we got...
Wow.
Pull-ups now. I missed it. What was that? How many?
I just did 2.
All right, this is what the Skatelite came on. And Chris had the awesome idea of using it for a manual box, right?
Is that what we're doing with it?
Yeah. Let's get it lined up. What do you think? I'm good. Just gonna hammer some screws in. All right, pretty much good on this side.
Sounds good. Nice.
Chris is gonna sweep it off. Look at this team effort building the box jump. This is gonna be the fastest box ramp, the grind box ever.
That's a great idea.
38 seconds and it's finished.
I'm glad you thought of that.
All right, where's my other?
Why we don't listen to me?
Well, it's not pressure treated, so it's not gonna last forever. But
Laying on my wrist.
yeah, and think about it, the sheets are 4x8, so it's perfect. We actually have some angle iron we could put on it too.
Yeah, this. You see that one? Mess. Yeah, I have some angle iron at the house too if you want.
I think there's still some here that we're going to use on the box extension. Ben's going to take the first run on it.
Try.
There you go.
I dragged the tail, but it looked good.
Yeah, alright, this is the box. I actually like it because the other one's a little bit tall. This is going to be good for skateboarding.